What do you get, brother?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Elsa?
Is it an art set?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can open this. And I can open this one. I've always wanted.
You've always wanted one?
For me.
What'd you get, sis?
Whoa. That's a big cart. Hey, I need you to lay this down so I can get the paper off. No, lay it down.
Just take it out right out of the box. Watch your fingers, sissy.
I stole my brother's paper. I didn't cart.
Okay, Carson.
Give me it. I'm hoping.
No.
Give me it. I was hoping you might. But I did not. I ripped it open. Yeah. Whoa.
Missy's happy. Are you happy, Miss?
Wow. Another box.
Okay, why don't we put that together in a minute, sissy? Why don't you open the one from brother?
I know.
Are you going to open in that?
Hey.
Open that present from brother. That one's from brother, sissy. Oh, no, that one's from mommy and daddy. The one that has the Santa Claus on it is from brother. That one right there.
I need that one.
Okay.
That box has even. Here you go, Carson.
No, that's for you, Ashley. Open it.
Yeah.
A book?
Right here.
What is it? Carson, what do you got?
Pokemon!
A book?
Whoa!
Whoa.
Awesome! Awesome! Yeah!
Do you know what that is? That's a little towel to wrap around you after you get out of the bathtub. Oh, hang on. You got to open the one from brother. Daddy, can you help her open that one from brother? No, brother bought you that one, sissy.
Yeah. I bought you that.
There you go.
Yeah. And it's something to sleep with. Just giving you a clue.
Rip it open like you mean it, girl.
Giant teddy bear. It's a giant teddy bear. Whoa! I don't need any.
What do you say to brother? Do you love it?
Yeah.
Say thank. What do you say to brother?
I like this one.
Okay. Do you say thank you to brother?
Thank you, brother. Oh my God.
How about oh my gosh? Those are
Oh.
ponytail things.
Oh